So it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Things are going okay. Just over 9 hours into the print. I can see a little bit of warping just on this edge. That's pretty much to be expected though, because it's right close to the edge of the bed. It probably would have warped anyway if I'd left the bed on, but I did turn the bed off at about 5mm, a couple of hours into the print. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning. It's a little bit cloudy. So just beginning to get a little bit of solar power. Hardly any on one, but then about 20 watts on the other. I've got 30% left on the Delta II Max, so hopefully in the next hour it should start boosting it a little bit.